Hey, what's going on guys? Kevin here, and in this video I'm going to show you guys an autofocus test I did with my Sony A9 camera matched with my 85mm G Master lens, shot at 1.4. You can see the camera settings on the screen. So I was on the ice skating as well, so we had someone else use my camera, and this was just handheld. We took 44 pictures here, and that was at 20 frames per second, so it was about 2 seconds of skating. And this player is a really good player, so he can skate pretty fast. So this is a fast moving action shot coming right at the camera. Again, shot wide open at 1.4. Let's take a look at how it did. I'm just gonna scroll through these images. You guys can kind of see for yourself how it did. So you can kind of see how the subject stays in focus, and then the background, as he gets further away from the background, from the goalie there in net, you can see the background starts to blur and the subject is staying in focus. I love how some of these shots came out right about here. These are some of the best images when he's about maybe halfway to the camera. You can see the goalie is starting to get really blurred out. It looks really sharp. And the autofocus here is just nailing it with the subject. Again, it's shot on wide. Sorry, I zoomed in on a couple of these, so I might have to zoom out. Starts, so this one's in focus. This one's one of the last ones that's in focus. As he starts to get closer to the camera, you can see it starts to lose focus a little bit, but again, these still look pretty good. If you're blowing them up and trying to print them out or something, might not look as in focus, but if you're using them for let's say like Instagram or Facebook or any advertising online, these photos are going to look really good. So it loses focus here as he gets a little closer to the camera. But again, it's still picking up some of these shots, so it started to focus again. He's getting a little too close, so his face is a little out of focus. His legs are kind of in focus. And there's a lot going on here. He's got the stick and the puck, and he's kind of leaning forward. So it's going to have a tough time naturally. But again, this shot, even though some of it's kind of out of focus, it looks pretty cool if you're using this for advertising or something. Same with this one here, looks pretty cool. And then he gets really close to the camera here and skates by. But overall, you can see, again, I probably wouldn't be using these photos where he's a little further back. But you can see here the goalie, his jersey's in focus and everything. But as the player starts skating further away, starts getting out of focus back here, and it's focusing right on our subject, which is perfect. It does a great job nailing a bunch of these shots. This is one of my favorite shots here. This one's nice too. If we zoom in here, again, some of these might not be perfect. It's shot at 1.4. This guy's moving really quick. But overall, these are pretty much nailing focus here as he skates fast towards the camera. So I just wanted to show you guys that. I know before I picked up the 85mm, I was kind of looking for some autofocus tests. I was looking for different videos on it. So hopefully maybe you found this helpful if you're kind of researching either the Sony A9 camera or the 85mm lens. If you guys did find it helpful, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to this channel if you want more Sony A9 videos. I'll be releasing some more coming soon. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.